Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn to use the Extrude, Chamfer, Rip, and Mirror. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we make, we will create a construction line here. And we will create this arc with 7 millimeters of radius. Create this line here and this one. This line has 3 millimeters, and the distance between this line and the midpoint is 0.5 millimeters. Okay, so open the Fusion, go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select line, a construction line, make a construction line here, and select the arc, center point arc, remove the construction line type. The radius here is 7 millimeters, make an arc here, and select line, make a line here, and a line here with 3 millimeters. And go to sketch dimension, the distance between this line and this point, 0.5 millimeters. Let me move this a little bit. And now we will create a line here with 3.2 millimeters, and we will create this arc here with 10 millimeters of radius. So select line, make a line here with 3.2 millimeters. I made 2 lines here, sorry. This line here has 3.2 millimeters, and create an arc here with 10 millimeters of radius. And go to constraints, coincident, select this point and this point here. And select this arc, this point here, go to horizontal vertical, select this point and this point and the midpoint here. Okay. Now we will create this line here, this one and this one. This line here has 3 millimeters of length, and the distance between this line and the midpoint is 28/2. And the distance between this point here and the midpoint, 15 millimeters. So select line, make a line here, go to sketch dimension, 3 millimeters here, the distance here 15, and the distance here 14 millimeters. Make sure that this point here is vertical with the midpoint, so select this point and the midpoint, horizontal vertical constraints. And now we will create a line here, and we will create this 2 line with 0.4 millimeters. This one and this one, 0.4 millimeters. And we will make a line here coincident with this point. And the distance between this line and this one, 7 millimeters. Select line, click here in this point, make a line here, go to sketch dimension, the distance here 7 millimeters, and this line here has 0.4 millimeters. Go to constraint, select the equal, select this line and this one. And here go to modify and select break this arc here, and select this arc, make this a construction line type, and select all this sketch and go to mirror. The mirror line, select this construction line and press OK. We made this profile, so finish the sketch. We need to extrude this 13.2 millimeters. So go to extrude, direction symmetric, measurement whole length, the distance 13.2, and press OK. The distance here. And now we will create these 3 holes here and this face. So the first hole that we'll make, we will create this one. The diameter 2 millimeters. The distance between the center of the circle and this edge 1.8 millimeters, and it is horizontal with the midpoint. So select this face, go to create a sketch, and press letter P in the keyboard, and select this face here and press OK. Select a circle, make a circle here with 2 millimeters of diameter, and go to sketch dimension. The distance here 1.8 millimeters, and go to constraints, horizontal, vertical, select this point and the midpoint. And now the distance between these two circles here is 4 millimeters, the same dimension, okay? So here go to create rectangular pattern, select the circle, direction, select this edge here, the quantity here 1, distribution, spacing, and the direction here, select symmetric, the distance 4 millimeters, and press OK. Look that the distance here is 4 millimeters and 4 millimeters here, okay? Now finish the sketch and go to Extrude. Select these 3 circles. The extended type, select all, flip the direction, operation cut, and press OK. And now we will create the holes in the base. So the hole in the base, 2 millimeters of diameter, and the distance here, 2 millimeters here, and the distance here, 2.6. The same dimensions to the other circles. So go to create a sketch and select this face here. Go to create project, include project. The selection filter, select the body, select this body here and press OK. I will hide this body a little bit. Select a circle. Make a circle here with 2 millimeters. And go to sketch dimension. The distance here, 2 millimeters. And the distance here, 2.6 millimeters. Now select line, a construction line. Make a construction line here and make another construction line here. And go to mirror, select the circle. The mirror line, select this, press OK. Go to mirror again, select these 2 circles. The mirror line, select this one and press OK. Finish the sketch and go to Extrude, select the 4 circles. Show the body one here. And the extend type, select all, flip the direction, operation cut, and press OK. And now we will make the chamfer. The chamfer has 0.4 millimeters. And we have a chamfer in this face, and the back face here, and in the top face, in the both sides, okay? So go to modify, select the chamfer, select this face and this face here, select the top face, 0.4 millimeters and press OK. We made this one. Look that we don't have a chamfer here in this edge. Look this. Okay. And now we will create this rib. This rib is in the center of this part, and it is a point, is a line, sorry, from this point and a tangent line here, tangent with this arc. And the thickness here is 3 millimeters in the both sides, okay? So go to create a sketch and select the front plane. Go to create, project, include project, select this body here and press OK. Select line, click here in this point and find the tangent point here. Or if you don't find the tangent point here, you can just click here in this arc and go to constraint, select the tangent, select this line and this arc here. Okay, finish the sketch. Go to create and select the rib. And the profile, select this line here. The thickness, 3 millimeters. And the thickness direction, symmetric. And flip the direction here. And press OK. Now we need to create this rib in the other side. So go to create, select mirror. The object type, select the features. And the object, select this face here. and the mirror plane, select the right plane and press OK. We made this. So here we finish our exercise. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.